After the tournament, Palmeiras, wherever they stop, there he will pack his belongings and move to Stamford Bridge and move to London and show Bukayo Saka and show Martinelli, yes, who is a winger, who is a typical winger. Estevao is coming. The Messi, the future Ballon d'Or winner, Estevao Williams will be joining Chelsea soon. Guys, I can't wait to see Chelsea midfield next season. Already, our midfield is strong. Caicedo, Lavia, Enzo Fernandez. Now, Santos will be joining. Esugo will be joining. Chale, next season, if you are trying to play through Chelsea midfield, forget. You can't have it that easy. Next season, any team who is going to play against Chelsea, make sure that you try to use the wings. But forget about the midfield. Because Andre Santos is there. Caicedo is there. Esugo is there. Romeo Lavia is there. The man himself, the goal scorer, the final goal scorer, Enzo Fernandez is there. Charlie, hi guys, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, since the season ended, our two talented players will be joining Chelsea soon. Estevao Williams and Andre Santos. They will be joining Chelsea this season. They will be with Maresca squad this season. Yes, but there are some conditions with Estevao Williams joining Chelsea. We'll come and talk about those conditions. And even Andre Santos gave his message to Chelsea fans. We'll come and look at that message also. But before we come and talk about these two talented players joining Chelsea, guys, let's talk about this transfer news from Chelsea camp. Before we come and talk about these two talented players. The first transfer news, guys, Jarrad Braithwaite from Everton. He is a centre-back, 22 years of age. Chelsea want to sign him. Chelsea show interest to learn him. Yes. So for that matter, they approached Everton. And information said that Everton manager is determined to keep him. He is part of his plans for next season. So they are not ready to sell. But Chelsea interested to sign him, Jarrad Braithwaite, 22 years of age. Guys, let me hear from you about Chelsea signing this centre-back because we need, yes, reliable centre-back. We need squad depth in our, yes, defense. I can say even experience. Yes, but this guy is not experienced centre-back, to be honest. He is 22 years, but he is a good player. And saying that, or information said that the manager want to keep him, for me, I know it's a trick. Yes, it's a trick for them also to come up with another 100 million. Because anytime that Chelsea approach to sign a player, that team, because we are Chelsea, that team at the end of the day we said 100 million. Even if that player can sell or market value is not 100 million, but because it is Chelsea, 100 million. When Chelsea go, every place is 100 million. I don't know why. Because they know the money back is here. I have the money back here. But we don't sound like that. Sometimes we look very well and sound. Because if I sign so many players for Chelsea, we don't know the PSR rule. At the end of the day, I already sold the car park. And yes, the women team to Bluco. So if I pay another 100 million, at the end of the day, then I have to sell some of you the Chelsea fans. Yes, I have to sell some of you the fans. So for that matter, 100 million for Jarrad Braithwaite is too much. Yes, I know. At the end of the day, Everton want to come out with, if not 80 million, then 100 million. The same as Eketeke, Frankfurt striker. They said unless 80 million or 100 million because it is Chelsea. So guys, Chelsea interested to sign Jarrad Braithwaite, but the manager said he is in his plans for next season. So he is not for sale. They are not selling him. And as I said, they are selling him. They want 100 million. We are not paying that 100 million. And let's come to another transfer, guys. And this transfer, I don't want to believe it. And I have to believe because in the general transfer window, Chelsea wanted to sell him. Madueke. I heard that AC Milan interested to sign Madueke, who had a market value of 50 million. And guys, I know Madueke is not fans' favorite, Chelsea fans' favorite. But see, the last two games, Madueke, he played well. Yes. The last two games, he turned to John Terry. He was attacking, was defending. Yes. But some days, he will make us annoying. Some days, pass the ball, Madueke was holding the ball to score. Selfish player. So guys, information said that, or transfer news came that AC Milan interested to sign him for 50 million, or he had a market value of 50 million. Should Chelsea sell Madueke? Because I heard Chelsea still want to go into the market and sign a winger. And Jordan Sancho transfer is also loaded. We'll come to that. So guys, AC Milan interested to sign Madueke, my Madueke, your Madueke, every Madueke Chelsea fan cherish and love. Should Chelsea sell him? Should Madueke stay or leave? And let's come to Jordan Sancho transfer. Yes, as we are speaking now, that negotiation is still ongoing with Sancho representatives and Chelsea. Yes, for Sancho to reduce his wages, Chelsea pay 25 million to sign him, or Sancho refused to reduce the wages and Chelsea pay 5 million and send him back to United. Which is which? Should Sancho go? Should Chelsea sign Jordan Sancho? Guys, let me hear from you. And as we are speaking now, yes, they are having that talks. And if anything come out from that deal, I will update you again. So please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. And Moses Caicedo, yes, information said that when the season was about to end, Chelsea will extend his contract. And as we are speaking now from Fabrizio, information said that it will start soon. Chelsea will extend his contract and maybe possible wage increasement, because that is another policy in Chelsea. If you play well, they are going to extend your contract and then what? Increase your wages. And it looks like Caicedo will have 7 years in Chelsea. Maybe they will add him 3 years, making it 10 years, and maybe increase the wages some more. Yes. So guys, that is the latest transfer from Chelsea camp as we are speaking now. Let me hear from you in the comment section about all this transfer we discussed so far. And let's come to our two talented players. Estevao, the best player in Brazilian League. The best player in the Brazilian League. I am speaking Brazil now. What is the language of Brazil? Is it Brazilian or Brazilian? Yes, if you are watching from Brazil, shout out. So guys, our young talented player, the future Ballon d'Or winner, Estevao Williams, who's the Premier League cannot wait for. Estevao Williams will be joining Chelsea soon this summer, but under one condition. What is that condition? The condition is that he will play the FIFA Club tournament with Palmeiras. He's going to participate or help Palmeiras to play the FIFA Club tournament. After that, he then join Chelsea. Yes, Chelsea will also going to participate or play. So he will not join Chelsea to play. He will play with Palmeiras. Let's say if they doesn't progress to the group stage or quarter final, what, or even if they reach the final, after the tournament, Palmeiras, wherever they stop, there he will pack his belongings and move to Stamford Bridge and move to London and show Bukayo Saka and show Martinelli, yes, who is a winger, who is a typical winger. Estevao is coming. The Monsieur, the future Ballon d'Or winner, Estevao Williams will be joining Chelsea soon. Guys, when he finish, yes, the FIFA Club Tournament competition, after scoring 26 goals, giving 15 assists. Guys, I can't wait as you are watching his picture on the screen. Yes, that was his goodbye message from his team. Yes, they gave him this award. Yes, to be remembered. Yes, the next, yes, big thing to happen in Chelsea, or the next big player to come from the Brazilian League, to come from Palmeiras after Neymar. Yes, Neymar de Santos. Estevao Williams is coming to England, yes, to show his quality. I'm telling you, you see, Williams and Cole Palmer, they are going to be the first players to bring Ballon d'Or to Chelsea. Screen record this video, mark my words. I keep on saying it every day. Cole Palmer, Estevao Williams, these players are bringing Ballon d'Or to Chelsea. I'm telling you. And another player to join Chelsea soon is Andrew Santos, who won to League One and conquered League One, conquered Vitinha, conquered any midfielder you can talk about in French League, League One. This man is joining Chelsea. I can't wait to see Chelsea midfield next season. Already, our midfield is strong. Caicedo, Lavia, Enzo Fernandez. Now, Santos will be joining. Esugo will be joining. Chale, next season, if you are trying to play through Chelsea midfield, forget. You can't have it that easy. Next season, any team who is going to play against Chelsea, make sure that you try to use the wings. But forget about the midfield. Because Andrew Santos is there. Caicedo is there. Esugo is there. Romeo Lavia is there. The man himself, the goal scorer, the final goal scorer, Enzo Fernandez is there. Charlie, this is our midfield. I want to see our attacking this the same way as our midfield. Results and quality being there. By the way, Andrew Santos sent a message to we the Chelsea fans This is the message, guys. Andrew Santos said, confirmed plan to play for Chelsea. Everyone knows about my love, my desire to play for Chelsea. Yes, we know Andrew Santos. Welcome to Chelsea Football Club. Andrew Santos, for me, I saw him under Pochettino that season or that preseason. Yes, luckily Pochettino gave him and Cesar Casade. That preseason, they were the engine of our midfield. They play very well. So I'm not doubting Andrew Santos. And yes, last season also, he went to Strasbourg, French league. He dominated. He played well. And one thing I like about him that season was that he added goals into his name, into his numbers. He is not just typical midfielder or GM doing the tackles, doing the dirty job. He added goals. And a modern midfielder, forget, you must learn how to score goals. You must know how to score goals. Caicedo is doing that. Every last game in Chelsea history, since he joined Chelsea, he has been scoring goals every last game. Every Chelsea final game, Caicedo will make sure that he closes the season. Last season, he closed the season by scoring a goal. This season, the same goal. In final, not just a goal like Casemiro, Ugarte and Co. and what. Bruno has scored. Caicedo is scoring most important goals, final goals, and Enzo Fernandez. So guys, Andrew Santos will be joining Chelsea soon, and as I said, Estevao Williams also will be joining Chelsea when he finish or end his FIFA club competition with his former team or current team as we are speaking now, Palmeiras. We can't wait to see these guys. And even information said that Andrew Santos will be a backup for Moses Caicedo. And Esugo, I hope you remember about him. Esugo, the Portuguese sporting player, another wonderful GM, one of the best player who will be one of the best player in the future. He will be a support for Romeo Lavia, and I like it this way because Lavia injury prone. Chelsea need to be resting him in some games, and even some games Chelsea need not to be giving him 90 minutes, at least 60-70 minutes. Then Chelsea will substitute him out. And luckily, we have a super sub like Esugo. Luckily, even Caicedo this season, he had a rest. Caicedo played all the 38 Premier League games. So this season, he had a rest. And next season, we need someone, yes, Caicedo will rest, and that person will take on and still do it like Moses Caicedo. And now we have Andrew Santos. That is a good signing. So for our owners, when it comes to some signings, they got it right. But the striking is the issue, and the goalkeeping position, another issue. Champions League, I can't see Robert Sanchez being my goalkeeper. See, we need a proven, reliable centre-back experience. For the midfield now, for me, I'm convinced it's okay. Even if Chelsea will not go into the market and sign as a midfielder, it's okay. But you see the goalkeeping position, we need a goalkeeper. You see the defense, we need experience there. And the attacking, all of us know, we need a striker, prolific, clinical striker. So guys, these are the information from Chelsea camp as we are speaking now. And if anything happen again, I will update you, and I'll give you another video about Victor Osimhen coming to Chelsea, Mr. P Square, yes, Obi Mikel, yes, pushing Osimhen deal to happen. That video is here. Please click to enjoy them, and don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Take care, peace.